Sewell, a century of inspired service.
This is a 2009 Cadillac CTS-V. It features a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a remote start feature, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD player, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, and a supercharger. The following features are also included: 19-inch wheels, a memory package, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, a traction control system, OnStar, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Cadillac qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.